Guys, today we are taking a look at a screen protector for the cover display of the Google Pixel Fold. I would not recommend you remove the inner screen protector and try to replace it with something else. I would say just roll with what's pre-installed, but the cover display does potentially need a screen protector for some people. So I went and I grabbed this Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector. It is $14.99. Now, unlike some other screen protectors from Whitestone, these dome glass ones, there is no liquid adhesive, there is no UV light necessary. It is a bit of a different process. I'm going to show you exactly how it works and exactly how it looks when you're done. So I'm just going to show you the entire process. This is the unboxing as well as the full installation. I am someone who absolutely detests putting on screen protectors. So for me, having a really simple process and one that, just works really, really well, really, really easily, like this turned out to be, is really, really nice. You can see that there is this weird plastic box thing. It's sort of a frame, and basically what that does is it allows you to place the screen protector in a pretty much picture perfect every time sort of way. Step one is obviously using the alcohol pads that do come with the screen protector to get it nice and clean. And then there's a little microfiber cloth that you're going to also use to wipe the thing down. You want to make sure that there's no little bits of dust, nothing sort of floating around on that screen. Get it nice and clean. And then peel the backing off of the screen protector, which is contained inside this weird little frame thing. It snaps onto your phone, so again, you know that it is exactly where it needs to be. You can see the air underneath the screen protector being pushed out to the edges, kind of give it a little bit of pressure in the area that you're seeing on the screen now to kind of help push it down a little bit further. Then you can just peel this sticker off really nice and easy. It does stick on there pretty well, so you might have to give it a little bit of a tug. And from there, you can pop this plastic framing device off of your phone and you're pretty much done. You might need to take a microfiber like you see me doing here and give some more pressure on those corners to get the rest of those air bubbles out of the way. Even after doing this, I did have some teeny tiny little residual air bubbles, but over the next, just few minutes, you can see there's some in the middle of the screen, right where I just ran my hand over there. Those actually disappeared on their own as well. And the end result, this thing is absolutely perfectly lined up. It looks good. I think that this is, for the price, for $15, this is the easiest, simplest, and one of the best looking screen protector installations I've probably ever done. Now, normally I don't even install screen protectors. In fact, when they come with them, a lot of the time I take them off because they're annoying, they don't feel good, so forth and so on. But I had something sort of unfortunate happen. I ended up with a little scratch on the top left-hand side of my Pixel Fold going from the bezel onto the screen, and in lighter colored apps, things like Wise, you could see it up there kind of shimmering around. So the screen protector, I hoped, would serve two purposes. One, to protect from further scratches, which theoretically shouldn't be too big of a deal. There are some micro scratches on the screen as well, but those are not ones that are visible in any way, shape, or form. But I didn't want to get any more visible ones because that will drive me crazy. But two, a good screen protector will often basically mask the appearance of a scratch like that. And you can see in this video, hopefully, where that scratch begins off the screen and where it goes underneath that screen protector, and how now it is completely invisible once again, as if I don't have a scratch on my screen, which is very, very cool. So guys, that is the Whitestone Dome Glass Screen Protector for $14.99. Extraordinarily easy to install. I really think it's pretty solid. There's some good advantages here as well. The fact is that you can actually still wear cases on top of it, like the Pitaka Aramid fiber case does fit over it just fine. And sometimes when you're doing that back gesture on screen protectors that are glass like this, they sort of have this rough, jagged, sharp edge to them. No problem with that here either. It's just a solid, inexpensive, easy to install screen protector. So I'm going to drop an affiliate link down below. If you want to buy it, if you click on that link and you buy it, you're going to give me commission for that purchase. Helps support the channel. I do appreciate that going forward. Guys, subscribe for more content just like this. And until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.